What's up, Home Slice? Lucas here. So in the last couple of pen spinning tutorials, I've used either my trustworthy pen right here or this pencil. Now I read the comments and a few of you have suggested that I get a pen spin mod. So I decided to look into these pen spin mods, and in doing so I found a couple of ridiculous but pretty darn cool pen spin mods on Amazon that I'm going to unbox for you guys and try out right now. Without further ado, let's open the first item. But you gotta focus. Here it is. Jodior spinning pen spinning mod, detachable pen spinner, suitable for beginners and enthusiasts. Brain blah 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 blah. So this is a pen, and this is your typical pen spin mod apparently. Like this was the official size, I guess. Well, it does spin smoothly, like I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah, you can see how the extra length and there's maybe a little bit more weight than the pen would definitely give you an advantage. So essentially I paid $8 for a weighted stick. Like, it's so big, I could basically do this like simple thing like this, and it's like I'm already crazy. Whereas like if you have like this pen, you can't really get away with that, you know what I mean? You know what, let's move on to something more exciting, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, I give you nunchuck pens. This is just stupid. Oh, so this one's actually a pen. So it snaps together. Oh man, that is freaking hilarious. Oh! Yeah, maybe don't whip them around real fast because the pen might fly off and hit your little brother in the head. Ready? Jeez. Yeah, that's just a hazard, bro. Oh shoot. Oh man, it cracked. I hit that on the counter and it cracked. Yeah, so maybe more of a novelty item than a performance item. It's one of those cheap little things like, mom buys her kid, she's like, this will keep him occupied. And then it ends up costing her like a couple $100s in an urgent carry. All right, I got a few more guys, and one of them's super dope. I'm really excited to open it. But first, let's try out some more mods right here. All right, I actually bought these as well. So these are two pen spin mods just like the other one. Is it the same size? Yeah, they're approximately the same size. There must be some regulation within the Federation. Anyways, the special thing about these is these ones are supposed to light up. So I'm just removing this little piece of paper. I believe it's just separating the battery from, I guess, the terminal or whatever you want to call it. So I take that out and then I screw this cap in and literally it lights up. Oh, that is dope. So that is pretty cool. What the heck? Oh yeah, that's sweet. I honestly, like, man, if you were super good, like, just think about the TikToks you could make. These are gonna get a huge thumbs up. That's just so cool. They change colors. All right, so let's explore one of these. I'm just gonna unscrew this cap right here. Got a little pack of these batteries right here, and they're in this plastic sheath. Interesting. Oh my gosh, that's it. So this is what's lighting the pen right here. That is crazy, guys. Look at this. That is like the light. It's a chip, it's a light. That is insane. Man, like the tech in this is insane. You know what I mean? Like, we just take this for granted every day. Well, getting it back in there is a pain in the butt though, I'll tell you that. Once you take it apart, it never works again. So these are a definite win. Absolutely cool. What do you, $10? That one, this is the coolest so far in my opinion. All right, let's move on to the next one. Folks, this one is by far the one that I'm the most excited to unbox right now. This is tricks within tricks right here. Check this out. So a butterfly knife pen by Balio, or no, by Spyderco. I think this metal right here is just like a clip. Clip it on your shirt. That's like, oh yeah, let me write that down for you. And then you go, there you go. Yeah, that's right, your boy kind of knows how to use a little bit of a butterfly knife, that's right. I remember once my cousin, my brother and I were on vacation and we went to this like gift shop and they had butterfly knives and we're all like, oh yeah, we all bought a butterfly knife and we're, kind of like stuck it past my parents and we're playing with the butterfly knife on the porch and my cousin goes like this and then he goes to close it and it closes right on his finger and blood squirts out of his finger and just onto me and my brother and we all screamed. But he was alright, he didn't even need stitches. He's lucky. Yeah, but anyways, we got pretty decent with, the basic butterfly knife technique, which is just like that, I think. So definitely a novelty item. It's plastic. It's hilarious. It's not really made for spinning, but we'll spin it anyway. Thumb around, ready? Well, that is cool. Build obviously could be better, but what do you expect when you're buying items like these? You know what I mean? Next and finally, this is so stupid. All right, you know we had to do it, folks. This is a set, do not separate. Literally, this is how it came. This would have been great to have 4 years ago. Fidget spinning pens. Look at that. So you just screw it on. Oh, that is annoying. Oh, you see that? You click these, but can it spin? Oh, that gyroscopic force is making it weird. Oh. Obviously, these are made for fidgeting, not for spinning. Stupid joke. Relieves stress, tension, but also creates stress and tension. Pen spin mod. Thumb, yeah, sideways. Nunchucks. At first it was a thumbs up, then it hit me in the face. Thumbs down. Pen spin LED mods. Thumbs up. This is by far the coolest for the price. It's just one of the coolest items for the best price. Butterfly pen mod. Yeah, you know, fidget spinner pens. I'm just gonna give an ew. So the winner all around, in my opinion, definitely these LED light up pen spin mods. But you guys might think otherwise. Obviously, if you're interested, you could try these out for yourself. I'll leave a link to all these in the description. Just a fair warning, all this stuff, I'm just gonna be real, is kind of cheap. I literally said I was done buying cheap junk in my video where I cleaned out my room, and look at what I just did. So a little bit disappointed in myself when it comes to that, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm planning on making more videos like this, also more other videos coming as well. Hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.